Welcome. In this video I'm going to be replacing the battery on this Roomba 650 robotic vacuum. And the battery I'm putting in is this First Power 5 amp hour 14.4 volt battery. And this is compatible with 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900 series Roomba vacuums. So if you find this video helpful, I'll put a link in the description to this battery, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. I previously did a video on Roomba maintenance, and in that video I replaced the battery with a lithium battery. And this is a cheaper battery. This is a nickel metal hydride battery, and I'll put a link in the description to that video. This is not the same Roomba that I replaced the lithium battery in. I did that 4 years ago and it's still running strong. This is a Roomba that was given to me because the battery was dead, so I'm going to use this in a different area. I do really like the lithium batteries in the Roomba. They last a long time. I'll put a link in the description to that battery too. If you use your Roomba a lot and it's your primary Roomba, the lithium battery might be a good purchase. Otherwise, I think this battery would be a good choice. So I received this Roomba because the battery wasn't working, and when I plugged it in, the light was flashing. And then after a while, say, I don't know, half hour, I'll insert a clip now of the message it gave me, and also you can see the writing better. I'll turn the lights off.
Charging error. 5.
Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to unplug this, or you want to take it off your dock. I'll turn it over. And there are 4 screws here, so I'm going to remove all of those. And these are captive screws, meaning they'll stay in there. You can't pull them all the way out. Next, I'll take off the little side brush. So you want to hold the brush while you're taking it off. Now this piece can lift off of here, like so. And it's pretty dirty under here. So I'm going to go suck this up with another vacuum. Another option would be to take it outside and blow it with a leaf blower to blow all the dust out of here. Okay, I'll get the new battery out. Okay, so it has some instructions here and some safety rules. I would recommend reading those. And then here's the replacement battery. So it has these little tabs here so you can help lift it up. So I'll pull the old battery out, like so. You'd want to clean down there if it was really dirty. Take the new battery pack, insert it, like so. And these tabs were folded in on the old battery. So you don't want to throw a battery like this in the trash. I would search online for local places that take batteries and then drop it off at a local drop box. So those tape tabs want to fold back in, so I'll fold them down and then get this cover on to hold them in place, like so. And now I can screw this back down. There we go. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple process. So now I'll flip it over. When I press the button, it should start working. Don't want it to go off my table here. So now I'm going to fully charge this before I use it, and then I'll be ready to go. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.